Hello, this is Chalk It Up Fancy, and today I started with this velour wired material that I found at Michael's. And I had 5 pieces of wood measuring 22 inches for 4 of them, and then one was 20.5 inches. You can also use a ruler. It'll be shorter, but I think it would still work. Or you could put 2 rulers together. I got my wood right at Lowe's, and I had them cut it to the size I needed. And then I wrapped the velour material around each piece so it covered the front and sides of the piece of wood. So once I had all the pieces covered with the material, I put them all together to make a star. And then I took my hot glue gun and I secured that in place. I did have to fiddle a little with it, and the shorter piece went across the top there. And I found this artificial greenery with red berries from Michael's, and I decided to pull it apart, and I put a branch at each tip of the star. I just thought this was a nice way to dress it up. And there you go. A nice simple craft for you guys to try. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button while you're over there, and check out some other videos we have. Have a great day.